Making cold coffee is a refreshing and straightforward process. There are different methods to make cold coffee, but I'll explain two popular ones: the cold brew method and the iced coffee method. Here's how to make both. 1. Cold brew method. Ingredients: 1. Coarsely ground coffee beans. 2. Cold water. Equipment: 1. Large jar or pitcher. 2. Fine mesh strainer or coffee filter. 3. Cheesecloth, optional. Instructions: measure the coffee. For a standard cold brew ratio, use 1 cup of coarsely ground coffee beans for every 4 cups of cold water. You can adjust the strength by varying the coffee to water ratio. Combine coffee and water. In a large jar or pitcher, add the coarsely ground coffee and cold water. Stir to ensure all the coffee grounds are saturated. Steep the coffee. Cover the jar or pitcher and let it steep in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours. The longer you steep, the stronger the cold brew will be. Strain the cold brew. After steeping, pour the cold brew through a fine mesh strainer or a coffee filter into a separate container. You can also use cheesecloth to get a cleaner brew by straining it again. Serve. Fill a glass with ice and pour the cold brew over it. You can add milk, cream, sweeteners, or flavored syrups according to your preference. Iced coffee method. Ingredients: 1. Coarsely ground coffee beans. 2. Hot water. 3. Ice cubes. 4. Milk or cream, optional. 5. Sweetener, optional. Equipment: 1. Coffee maker or French press, optional. 2. Glass or pitcher. Instructions: brew the coffee. Start by brewing a strong coffee using either your regular coffee maker or a French press. You can use any brewing method you prefer, but a stronger coffee will ensure it doesn't taste weak once it's diluted with ice. Let it cool. Allow the freshly brewed coffee to cool down to room temperature. You can speed up this process by refrigerating the hot coffee for a while. Prepare the glass. Fill a glass with ice cubes. Pour the coffee. Once the coffee has cooled, pour it over the ice-filled glass. Add milk and sweetener. If you like your iced coffee with milk or sweetener, add them according to your taste preferences. Stir and enjoy. Give the iced coffee a good stir, and it's ready to be enjoyed. Both methods offer a delicious cold coffee experience, but they differ in terms of preparation time and flavor profiles. The cold brew method produces a smoother and less acidic coffee, while the iced coffee method is quicker and retains more of the coffee's natural acidity. Choose the one that suits your taste preferences and time constraints. Enjoy your cold coffee.